Hey guys, this is a quick video for my Art 102 and Art 101 students for the summer. I've just noticed that some of you guys are having trouble or struggling a little bit with the weekly notes assignments, and I wanted to just give you guys a little bit more explanation. I'm sorry if I'm beating a dead horse here. I know I've sent you all kinds of announcements and all kinds of things about it, but I still feel like maybe I'm not being clear enough. So basically, you guys are going to have to, of course, read chapters in your book. So if you go on to the syllabus, for example, or if you go into the announcement that I just posted, or if you go on to the weekly notes assignment page. So if you're in your modules and you want to go down to, say, the bottom of Unit 2, and you click on your weekly notes assignment, you will open up that page, right? And all of the directions are here for you. There's a link to connect to the textbook chapters that I'm expecting you to read. And then for this particular unit, I've even give you the module pages that I'm expecting you to take notes on. So what I'm looking for basically is a heading for each of those chapter pages. So I want you to give me a heading for, say, Late Medieval Italy. That's one chapter that Art 102 students are going to be required to read. So put the heading on your notes, Late Medieval Italy, and then under that, all the notes from that chapter. And then move forward again with your next chapters. That's also what I'm expecting you to do then for the module pages. So if you go into the modules of our class, you will see that Unit 2 has all kinds of pages in it covering different subject matter. Now, because this is an intensive summer course, you guys are having a number of different modules crammed into each one of your units. So you are going to be having oftentimes an overview, and a summary for your individual modules, but there will be many modules inside of a unit. I'm expecting you to click on each page, start at the beginning of Unit 2, click on that page, and then just simply go to the bottom of the page and select Next after you've read all the information. And it's just very logical, one page after the other, one page after the other. Read through all of them. As I've mentioned a couple times, you don't need to take notes on an overview page or a summary page for each of those modules, but all of the content basically. So just use your head. All of the information that's telling you about the styles, those are the pages I'm expecting you to take notes on. So into the future, you're going to be repeating this every week. You're going to have chapter pages for the next unit next week that you're going to be required to cover. I'm expecting headings from those chapters. And then I'm also expecting you to list the headings of each content page for the next unit and all of the different readings and watchings that you'll be doing pertaining to that particular content. So the best notes would have big bold headings of each chapter with notes underneath, big bold headings of each module, name, title, page name, like we're seeing on the computer, and the notes underneath that. Please just make it easy for me to give you like full points. If you do that really nice and clear and I can see that you've given me great notes, no problem. I really look forward to rewarding you all with all of the work that I know you're doing for this class. Remember also that I often ask you questions in the feedback of the gradebook. And if you get a question, that means that maybe you didn't completely answer what I asked you, or I'm basically trying to push you to make a better reply. I'm helping you, I hope, to get more points, honestly. So if you reply to me in that gradebook feedback area, so either like in the text box itself, or post a whole new post. Honestly, the easiest way for me to see a reply is for you just to resubmit. Like just go back to the same place that you submitted originally, type in your response to my question to you, label it as follow-up, and then post it again. And I will get a little notification that you've posted something new, and I'll go back in and read it and happily add to your points. So I hope this video helped a little bit explain things. Ask questions. I'm totally trying to be here for you guys. So email me or, write a response in the feedback somewhere. I'm happy to help you at any time. So keep moving forward. Good luck with everything. I hope you're learning a lot and talk to you soon.